Imagine stepping into a booth, pressing a button, and instantly appearing on a tropical beach. No more long flights, traffic jams, or airport security lines. This is the tantalizing dream of teleportation, a concept that has captivated science fiction fans for generations. But could this fantastical idea ever become a reality? For decades, teleportation has been relegated to the realm of science fiction. But recent advancements in quantum mechanics have brought the possibility of teleportation from the realm of fantasy into the realm of scientific speculation. At the heart of this mind-boggling concept lies a strange and counterintuitive phenomenon known as quantum entanglement. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of quantum mechanics and explore whether teleportation, like that scene in Star Trek, could one day become a reality. Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a mind-bending ride. Quantum entanglement is one of the most bizarre and intriguing phenomena in the quantum world. Imagine two particles linked together in such a way that they share the same fate, no matter how far apart they are. This is entanglement, a kind of long-distance connection that even Albert Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. When you measure the state of one entangled particle, you instantly know the state of the other, even if they are light years away. It's like having two coins flipped at the same time, always landing on the same side, no matter how far apart they are. This eerie connection is what makes quantum teleportation theoretically possible. But how can we use this spooky action to teleport something as large and complex as a human being? Well, that's where things get a bit more complicated. Before you get too excited about teleporting yourself to a beach in Bali, it's important to understand that quantum teleportation, as we currently understand it, isn't quite like beaming up in Star Trek. It's not about physically moving an object from one location to another instantaneously. Instead, it's more akin to sending a fax. Imagine a fax machine that, instead of sending ink, scans an object, disassembles it into its basic information, transmits that information to another location, and then uses that information to reconstruct an exact replica of the original object at the receiving end. That's a simplified way to think about quantum teleportation. The original object is destroyed in the process, and an exact copy is created at the destination using the information transmitted via entanglement. Think of it as the ultimate form of recycling. Section 4. The Hitchhiker's Guide to Teleportation Challenges. While the idea of quantum teleportation is incredibly exciting, we are still a long way from teleporting humans. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer complexity of living organisms. A human being is made up of trillions of atoms, each with its own unique quantum state. To teleport a human, we would need to scan and transmit the quantum state of every single one of those atoms, which is a mind-bogglingly complex task. Another significant hurdle is the need for a massive amount of energy and computational power. Even teleporting a single atom requires a significant amount of resources, and scaling that up to a human being is currently beyond our technological capabilities. Despite these challenges, the scientific community is making progress. Researchers have successfully teleported photons, atoms, and even small molecules over increasingly large distances. While these are still early steps, they demonstrate the potential of quantum teleportation. Section 5. The future of teleportation, from fiction to reality. So will we ever be able to teleport ourselves across vast distances like they do in Star Trek? While it's impossible to say for sure, the possibility, however remote, is incredibly exciting. Quantum teleportation is still in its infancy, and overcoming the current limitations will require significant breakthroughs in our understanding of quantum mechanics and our technological capabilities. Imagine a world where we can teleport ourselves to work, eliminating the need for cars and planes. Or a world where we can instantly transport goods and materials across the globe, revolutionizing logistics and supply chains. The possibilities are limitless. While we may not be beaming up anytime soon, the journey of exploring quantum teleportation promises to unlock some of the universe's most profound secrets and could lead to technological advancements that could reshape our world in unimaginable ways.